Minsan po. Wait lang, ang dami niya. Hopefully, we can be friends, of course. Wait lang. Welcome back. Thank you, Teddy. Hello, Robin. How are you guys? Gorgeous. Thank you. How old are you, Leo? Hello, Teddy. I miss you guys too. I'm so sorry. I'm so tagal bago mag-live. Hello, Manuel. Welcome back. Thank you, buddy boy. Thank you. No name ID. Bakit are you single? Yeah, I'm single. Thank you. Hello, thank you. Nice to see you again. Thank you, Leo. Thank you. Do I deserve a follow back? Of course. Of course. Basta dali-dali ko malinis. So random. And oh, thank you din. Na-miss mo ba mag-live? Sobra. Actually, everyday, gusto ko talaga na mag-live. Thank you. Hindi ako nagla-live kasi nga wala naman akong supporter. Puro kasi vlog na lang. Ay, hindi naman. Nag-aaral kasi ako. Grabe naman kayo sa vlog. Graduating kasi ako. Tsaka, naghanap ako ng support. Ito na nga ako. Diba? Ito na, nag-live na. Ito na.